Saved by the Bell.
His name is Dave Ralph. He loves collecting video games and is a firm believer that Iron Man is better than Batman. The Back to the Future movies are his favorite. But Pump Up the Volume did more for him than any other single piece of art. He'll watch Newsies at any time. And Saved by the Bell is the best TV show in existence. But Breaking Bad and The Wire are a close second. Amityville Horror is the scariest movie of all time. But Rosemary's Baby is a perfect horror movie. His favorite video game is Super Mario Bros. But he digs Lemmings, Sunset Riders, and Zombies Ate My Neighbors too. He posts old VHS finds on his channel. As well as any new NES game intros every day he can. This year he will be showing off his collection of games, movies, toys and all other weird in-betweens he comes across. Also check out any of the social media links below for his ramblings. As always, stay retro, my friends.